can't wait anymore. It's been 6 hours. I'm going to open this guitar. I think because it doesn't have like a nitrocellulose finish, it's not like a thin um, acoustic guitar of some sort, I think it's going to be okay. So let's open it. Yeah! Turn on some lights. Okay. Okay. It said 24 hours, but 6 hours. Okay. Padding. Okay. When I got the box, I heard some rattling in there, and I'm hoping it's just some random thing. It has nothing to do with the actual guitar. Candy. I had heard there were no more fireballs. This has fireballs and Smarties, and then really gross bit of honey. People, we don't need bit of honey. We really don't. I don't know why. Just give me Smarties and fireballs. In fact, I think I'm going to eat that fireball now. More padding. Turns and exchanges. Eat the fireball now. Okay. Alright, the guitar's in yet another box. So that's a good sign, I think. What was this noise I was hearing in the box? Something was rattling. It's in the box. Whatever was rattling, it is not into that packaging. There's a little dent there. Okay. Our box cutter also works as a screwdriver. Be right up, kid. Be right there. After we open this guitar. Cool. Big bag. I mean, this guitar is pretty well protected. I'm trying to imagine what could be. Oh, the rattling, I think, is just that. Because there's nothing in the box. Okay. There's the case, pretty heavy duty. It's got a something up there. I don't know what that's for. I have to Google what you would have that for. And quality check. Truss rod, I guess, or something along those lines. And if you're doing your homework, you can put your pencils and things in there. I'm coming! Be right up! Gotta be quick. That's bad life. Okay. Nothing in these pockets. Nope, empty. It's a nice gig bag. Pretty well padded. Got a nice little thing there. Certifies your guitar has passed the 55 point inspection. Oh my gosh, almost just had an accident. Oh, that's cool. My gig bags are not this nice. There's a little something for the neck there. Oh yeah. And is there anything in his back pocket? Just check it. Nope. All right. Yeah, it's nice. Handcrafted in Canada. Yep. Yeah, it's a truss rod. There she blows out. I suspect not in tune. Actually, fully tuned. Oh, I like that neck. Yeah. It is definitely shorter. Yeah, I haven't played a Gibson guitar in a long time. There it is. Okay. Yep, and there's the push-pull for the, wow, for the coil tap. That's really, really nice. I'll just throw it down right there. Needs a name, I think. But that's it. That's the unboxing of my Godin Radium. I'm very excited to play this guitar. All right.